Hi, my beautiful people, my Oyo family. How are you guys doing? Thank God it's Friday. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And you know what? I made this Afang soup. It was like a coincidence, like an emergency soup. So I made this Afang soup with the Afang I had in my fridge for over 2 weeks. Okay, it's in my freezer. Nothing has happened to it. I just bought a water leaf and more dry fish, and I forgot to get crayfish. Then I made this afan soup with that crayfish. But if I tell you that this soup was given, you might not believe me from the comfort of where you are. But I am telling you as a chef and as an old cook where I be. And I tell you say this soup, it makes sense. If you say na lie, try am. Follow what you they see me they do for here. Follow the recipe where they do. Soro usoro aka ihe m na-eme ebe a. Isoro ya, ị ga-esinwu ofe a with that crayfish, and isichaa ya, ị ga na-ajụ onwe gị sị, ka ezi ihe crayfish na-arụ n'ime ofe. Asịkwa m na crayfish adịrọ mma o, crayfish dị very good. All the nutritious, all the nice, all the good, ọ na-enye ihe n'ahụ. But at the same time, if you don't have it, don't kill yourself. Don't break the bank. Trust me, one or two little things you have in your kitchen can go a long way for you if you actually know what you're doing in the kitchen. It's sometimes about food. It's not about when you carry everything and pour in, pour in. You put meat, you put fish, you put pomo, you put dry fish, you put stuffed fish, you put nka, you put nkozo. No, it's not what makes soup sweet. Sometimes what makes your soup sweet is the way and the manner of how you prepare that food. Especially when you prepare this food with love, trust me, even if you don't have crayfish or maggi, it will get nice. It will be very nice. Anybody that tastes it will say, wow, this soup is good. So I made this soup, okay? You see how I did it? When I added my bomo, I added dry fish. I add a little bit of water to it, okay, because I'm not cooking protein. What I'm cooking is bomo and fish. Then I now add my onions. Then I added my stock cube and I cover it to boil. As you can see here, it is boiling. At this juncture, I added my water leaf, my fresh water leaf, trust me. I added it like say nothing did happen. You see how fresh and sweet the water leaf is looking. That alone will tell you that this soup self could make sense. Okay, so when I added it, I now added my almighty palm oil. What is Afang soup without palm oil? Without enough palm oil? I make sure I add enough palm oil to it. Like I add palm oil, I say palm oil never exists. I add palm oil, then I stir it. Trust me, this soup. After I made this soup, when I gave my husband, he was like, he enter oh, because my husband don't talk say food enter. That means that soup enter true. So he said the soup enter oh. I say, I never can tell you, say me, I be good for kitchen. It's not about I say next time, no go tell me, no go leave say no go buy crayfish. You can't tell me say he enter oh. So I cover it. When I cover it, I will allow it again to cook. Trust me at this point, guys. If you enter my kitchen, if you perceive the aroma in this kitchen, you will never go wrong. You will never tell yourself, so, oh, this thing. This was when I started adding my afan soup. This afan leaf, honestly, has been in my freezer for over more than 2 weeks. Yes, I have to tell you this. It has been in my freezer, and trust me, nothing has happened to it. You can store your afan leaf in the freezer. You can store it there. Make sure you close up, lock it very well, tie it in a tight nylon or tight container or whatever. Just put it in your freezer and it will get frozen, but nothing will happen to it. Then when I added it, I added 2 stock cube again. Then I added onions to it. You see these onions you are seeing I'm adding here. I know some people will say, they don't add onions to afan soup. I beg, me I leave them. Now me one chopper. No be na one chopper. I dey add for my own. If I dey cook my afan, I dey add onions. So when I leave am there, onions no be disease. Na good thing. It's good for the eye. So let it be there. So when I added these onions, I now stir it. I stir it, guys. This kitchen was skinny. It was smelling like say, we dey cook one continental dishes there. Na continental they cook because afar for me is a continental dish, Nigerian continental dish. Okay, so I stir am, make sure say I stir am well. I stir am well, make sure say I stir am. This soup, if you test am, if you think say you dey doubt me, yeah, come my house, I give you one plate, make you just chop one fufu. So this was how I tested it, and it tastes so good. It tastes so nice. Like I've seen it coming back again to test. It was so nice. It was so sweet. It was so fantastic, guys. You can try this recipe. So what is the essence of this video? The essence of this video is to tell you that sometime in your kitchen, don't say you will not cook because you don't have crayfish. Don't say you will not cook because you don't have onions. Don't say you will not cook because you don't have stock cube. My dear, Nigeria economy right now is very hard. You have to find a way to improvise. You have to find a way to manage. You have to find a way to succeed because it's not easy. So I cover and I open. This was at the last stage. At this point, the soup is done. At this point, the soup is given. At this point, the soup is everything you can think of in Afang soup. Trust me, this is good. Tell me, what will you be having this soup with? Will you use fufu? Will you use semo? Will you use curry? What kind of swallow will you go down with this soup? And trust me, guys, this soup was something else. Without crayfish, who has made Afang soup? Our mama it will tell you what is Afang soup without crayfish. Omo, there is something with Afang soup without crayfish. This my own is giving. If you day your kitchen, your own day as a day, my own day giving, it did very nice. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow my page. Don't forget to subscribe to